1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible. Soft top and hard top included with this car. Of course, 4.5 liter. Underneath the hood, that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper grille. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Our tech that checked this car over did mention the compressor works on the AC, but it was in op. I believe there was a leaky line is what he stated. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Get a look at the Mercedes wheels on this one. Kind of a medium gray. Just a neutral interior. Bucket seats, of course, up front, leather seating surface. Center console for the shifter. Does have an aftermarket stereo in it. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, let you run, take a peek at the engine bay. We're also going to put the hard top on. Check it out with the soft top up so you can see all those also. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Here's a look at the headliner of the hardtop. And again, we'll put that on in a bit here and finish up at the end of the video with the tops up. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Be well over 120 pictures of this car online. Let's take a peek down the passenger side here. A little bit of a dinger right there if you didn't see it. Paint shows well. There's a few touch-up spots on it here and there. So there are some imperfections in the paint, but considering the age of the vehicle, nice shape. Door panels. Guess what you'd kind of expect as far as wear-wise out of the seats. No real rips, tears, or holes. Just your typical wear. Odometer reads 129,559. Believed to be original miles. Get a look at the gauges. You can see the tach is working there. Aftermarket stereo does work. Also had the wipers working. Power windows. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Four or five sounds good. Smooth running engine. Oh, one other thing I wanted to show you. Let's take a peek at this. Do have the power antenna working back here. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Pretty stock sounding, guess what you'd expect. And let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. Check out the engine bay and then we'll see how the tops look. And here's a look at the engine bay. In power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech said the compressor did kick on and off, but it has some leaky lines. Consigner owner chose to sell it the way it is and reflect it in the price. what you'd expect under the hood also. Smooth running 4.5. Let's go ahead and check these two tops out, and we'll wrap up this video. And here it is with the soft top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Nice fit with the side glass also. Now, of course, this is manual. One person can put it up in a matter of a minute or so. Very simple. Nice clear rear window. Rear windows in that case, I guess, considering the side ones also. But free of rips, tears, holes. Doesn't look like it's been used a whole lot if it's the original, or it may have been replaced, but it looks like the original that has not been used a lot. So soft top, nice shape, operates correctly. Now, I'll put that back underneath the tonneau cover in the back, and let's put that hard top on and check that out. And last but not least, the hard top on. As you can see, fits nicely above the windshield. Paint condition, like the car, shows well. Nice shine to it. Glass is all good. Now, you seen the stand that this was on. Just so you know, that is not included in the purchase. We keep that around the detail building here, so we have something to put the tops on when the cars come in that need it. So just want to make you aware of that. Bright work, nice on it, nice fit. Finish is good. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible, both tops. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't forget about that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. This is an automatic on the center console. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Our radio is also working. Blower motor works. Our windshield wipers are also functioning. Smooth acceleration, smooth idle in this car. Cruise control is functioning. Bucket seats in this car. Power windows. Our factory tachometer is working. Speedometer also. Fuel gauge reading a quarter. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight in the lane. Temperature just under 175 and oil pressure at 45. Brakes are working well. It's a small, light car. Brakes work very efficiently. Maybe a little squeak from the fan motor. Acceleration is about what you would expect. Very smooth ride, very nice Mercedes. Check out all the pictures and all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.